the grammar of Totan. The grammar of Totan is mean that as soon as or just as or something. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of Totan, you can use with a verb in the past tense form, or we say that form. That form they mean in the past tense form. For example, when you want to use with Totan, right? Totan which mean as soon as or just as. For example, we can use the verb iku, right? Iku is the dictionary form. But when you use to be the past tense form, you can use ita, right? Ita Totan. Or kuru, right? Kuru is mean come. Kuru. When you change the past tense form is kita, right? Kita Totan, something like this. That means when you use the grammar of Totan, that means you just use with the verb in the past tense form, and after that followed by Totan, right? And it have the meaning in English such as soon as or just as or something. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of Totan, the next we are going to see some example together. In here, the first example is said, Ie o deta Totan, ame ga futte kita. Ie o deta Totan, ame ga futte kita. Which means that it started raining after I left my house. It started raining after I left my house. In this sentence, we'll see that the verb they use here is the deru, right? Deru is mean get out, right? Deru is mean get out. And when we change to be the past tense form, data, right? Data. And after that, we follow by Totan. So in this sentence, say, Ie o deta Totan, right? Ame ga futte kita. It started raining after I left my house. In this sentence, it had meaning that when you just only you just only left from the house, and after that the rain is starting to rain, right? But here the situation like this, it happened in the past tense situation. So when you explain the situation, you should know that the situation that happened in the past tense, in the past. So you can use Totan to explain that what happened soon after what happened follow. So let's see the next example. 窓を開けた途端、強い風が入ってきた。窓を開けた途端、強い風が入ってきた。This means that as soon as I opened the window, a strong wind came in. As soon as I opened the window, a strong wind came in. For this sentence, they use the grammar Totan with the verb aku, right? Akeru, right? Akeru is mean open. Akeru is open. But when you use with the past tense, we change to aketa. And after that, we follow by Totan. So we can say Mado o aketa Totan, which means as soon as you just open the window, right? 強い風が入ってきた This means a strong wind came in to your house. So in Japanese, the first situation that happened is you open the window, and the second situation that happened is the strong wind came into your house. So you should understand that when you use the grammar of ta Totan, that means the situation that happened in the past, and when you did something, and the next the second situation that happened soonly, very soon, just after the first situation that happened, right? So let's see the next example. 夏は窓を開けた途端、蚊が入ってくる。夏は窓を開けた途端、蚊が入ってくる。Which means, in summer, after opening the window, mosquitoes will come inside. In summer, after opening the window, mosquitoes will come inside. In this sentence, it's just like the last moment that we study. They use the verb akeru. Akeru is mean open. So when change to be the past tense, we can say aketa, and followed by totan. So we can say aketa totan, which means when you just open the window, right? Mado. In this sense, they use the mado is mean window too. So they say after opening the window, right? Mosquito will come inside. Ka ga haite kuru. Ka is mean mosquito. Ga haite kuru. So natsu is mean in summer, right? So this sentence is in the present simple sentence. So they can say, 夏は窓を開けた途端、蚊が入ってくる。So it means that in summer, after opening the window, mosquito will come inside. That means the first situation we say 窓を開けた途端, right? And the second sentence, the second situation is 蚊が入ってくる, right? So first, the first situation happened, and after that, the second situation happened after. The next example, ビール一本を飲んだ途端、顔が赤くなった。ビール一本を飲んだ途端、顔が赤くなった。Which means that my face turned red after drinking only one beer. My face turned red after drinking only one beer. This sentence they use the verb nomu, right? Nomu is mean drinking, when you drink something, and in this sentence they use drink beer. So when you change the verb nomu to be the past tense form, you can change to be nonda, right? Nonda, and after that you follow by totan. So in this sentence you say nonda totan, which means you just drink one beer, right? Biru ippon. Ippon means one beer. So, ビール一本を飲んだ途端、顔が赤くなった。Which means my face turned red, right? 顔が赤くなった which means your face turned red. These are the true situation for somebody, anyone who like to drinking. Maybe you just drink a little bit, just start to drink some beer or some alcohol, and after that your face turn, after just soonly after that your face turn to be red, right? So in the situation like this, or the people like this, that means we can use Totan, right? That means, so the first situation happened, and after that the second situation happened. In here, our first situation is biru ippon nonda totan. It means you just drink one beer, right? When you just drink one beer, your face turn to red, to be red, right? So in Japanese, you can say ビール1本を飲んだ途端、顔が赤くなった。In this sentence is in the past tense, right? Or you can say in the present simple tense, you can say ビール1本を飲んだ途端、顔が赤くなります。Right? 赤くなる is in the present simple tense. So what you want to change to the past or the present simple, you just look at the end of the sentence. Akaku natta is mean the past tense, but just to be the present simple, you can say akaku narimasu, something like this. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of Totan. Remember that you can use Totan in the past tense and the present simple tense. That means when you use the Totan, which means that you have two situations. The first situation happened, and after that, soonly the second situation happened, follow with the first situation. And remember that you can use with the verb only, and every time you use the verb with Totan, you should change